Yo, nice. So let's see here. 4:26 at the moment in the morning. It's 43 degrees, but it feels like 31. This is the type of shit that creates tornadoes, right? A little bit of hot and cold mix. Alright. Oh yeah, it's totally safe to record by a tree. Come on, where's the good one? I got an electronic device right here. They could strike this. Oh. It's fucking freezing with this window open, man. Come on, a couple more good ones, huh? How about rat? Meow. From Super Troopers, meow. Yeah, no. Right. These videos are getting out of hand. It's nothing but cigarette reviews and thunderstorms and shit. Alright. It's like as soon as I turn off the camera, coming up here at 3 minutes. Alright. Rain sounds nice, but the fucking breeze is cold, man. Alright, that's it. For now, till the camera goes off. Right? Just the smooth, subtle sound of my voice will put you to sleep and into a transparent state. Alright. Peace.